Let's go bigger.
Pretty big, huh?
Freaking giant.
Giants.
So far from the cliff. Huge waves and breaking records.
This historic swell was a product of several different ingredients. It started with long-lived Hurricane Epsilon that produced the largest swell in clean conditions in extended memory at Portugal's most notorious mutant wave, Nazaré, with the largest waves of the swell likely in the 80-foot range for the world's best big wave riders.
What up?
Super excited, man. I think biggest waves of the day are going to be early morning, so you got to be out there on dark.
Good luck, dude. Thank you. Just woke up with our team. We are ready. It's already light, so let's go to the water. I think the waves are pumping. I hear whole night.
Radio, channel
7.
7B or 78.
What board?
My 20 pound, of course, yeah.
Not 13 pounds.
No.
Pretty big, huh?
Freaking giant.
Giants.
I just saw a teepee from here between the little. I've never seen it that far out.
That far off.
Yeah. Oh my.
Where's the foil?
It's right in here. Should we just bring it out right now?
Not now.
Go on.
I saw one bomb
Yeah, I saw one just.
so far from the cliff.
Whew, that's good.
Pra mim tá ok.
Então tá bom.
Boa sorte aí. Keep your head together.
Rough day, a lot of up and downs, a lot of downs, a lot of downs, but we ended up coming up with an upper. Speed of the wave, like just crazy. Yeah, man, it's the biggest show on earth.
Like the condition was perfect, no wind, and then just the size in the morning was huge.
The trip was worthwhile, for sure.